Hi and welcome to another Diagnostics YouTube video. Today we have got the Ford proximity key fob, and if you'd like to learn how to replace the key fob battery without damaging the key fob body, stay tuned, we'll be back right after this. So in order to be able to do this, obviously we're going to need your key fob, we're going to need a Vorta CR2032 battery and a little flathead screwdriver. So what I do see quite often is people, they get anything flat, whether it's a screwdriver, a knife, anything, and if you look closely you can see there's a join right around the key fob body. People will start gouging in, they'll start trying to open it up that way. You just end up with big gouges and damage to the key fob body itself. So if you like to learn how to open up your key without damaging it, stay tuned, watch this video. So to do this, if you look at the key fob body, you'll see you do have at each side these little tabs that you can push in. You'll notice that this releases the cover plate. Then we can see our key blade. If we remove the key blade, inside the key fob body, just at that end where the key ring is, you'll notice there's a little hole. If you just, with the flat blade, just go inside, and as you make a twisting motion inside the key fob blade, you'll notice the key fob body just splits open, nice and simple, exposing the internals of the key fob. So then what we can do is we can just pop the battery out. You notice CR2032. Now what we can do, new key fob battery. Inside you'll notice there is a marking for the positive side up, which is a side on this battery with the writing on. We'll just slide the battery in. Place the two halves of the key fob body together. You'll notice here there is a little tab that has to line up with the hole. Slot that in, push, get the key fob blade, slide that back into position, and then with the cover plate you'll notice on the wider end there's a little tab. In the key fob body itself there's a little hole. You've got to align that tab. As you do that, you can just push. That's it. Key fob battery is now replaced. As simple as that. No damage to the key fob. What I have seen in the past, people going in, damaging it. And that is it. As simple as that. No damage to the key fob battery, to the body itself. Everything is now working fine on the key. Nice and easy. If you liked today's video, then please do leave us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Please do leave a comment. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you get notified of any extra videos that I do put out. Thanks for watching.